Hey, good morning everyone out there in social media land, well, specifically Facebook Live. I appreciate everyone being here today. Thank you for joining me as I talk about positively stating your wants today. And the reason that I am covering this is because it is so easy for humans to fall into the pattern of stating that you don't want something. Good morning, Trina. There are so many that always state, I don't want to be fat anymore. I don't want to be depressed anymore. It is a typical linguistic model. Hey, good morning, Chris, Curtis, good to see you guys. It's a typical linguistic model for humans to say what they don't want anymore, and this is not an effective way to reach pure goals, because your mirror neurons, your imaginative window in the brain, is incapable of activating when you are stating the thing that you don't want, because it's seeing everything in the brain play out in the way that you don't want it to go anymore. And that actually creates a limbic system response where emotionally you begin to connect with the thing that you don't want anymore. You begin to see it. It begins to get real in the brain. It becomes a real state. And so if you want to be effective at actually getting your wants, getting your goals, getting the things that you say you desire, then you need to positively state what it is that you do want. I would like to be happy. I would like to be full of energy. I would like to be healthy. Any of those things are now starting to positively state them. If you want to be even more effective, the more real that you make it, the more you attach sights, visuals, sounds, and kinesthetic feelings to what it will feel like whenever you achieve that goal, the more likely it is that you're actually going to see an outcome that's going to be just like that you are creating it in your mind. So it is very, very intentional exercise to begin to positively state what it is that you do want in your life, rather than negatively stating what it is you no longer want in your life. Good luck today, guys. This was a Monday motivational video, help you get your mindset and shift it into the right place. If you need any help with that today, please reach out to me. If you find yourself, as you sit there, starting to think, I don't even know how to positively state the outcomes I want, please send me a message, reach out to me, because that's what I do to help people connect with the best version of themselves in order to help them achieve the goals that they want. And I can't wait to help you or somebody you love do that. But if I can't, then I'd love to just be your friend. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I really appreciate you, and I hope that you have a fantastic week.